And before we say goodbye to 2015, ano kaya masasabi ng ilan sa mga paborito nating celebrities sa kanilang nagdaang taon? Stars of 2015, anong ganap?
It's been a great year. Isa siya sa pinaka-masayang taon ng buhay ko. Masabi ko, I've been blessed with lots of great things in this world.
Crazy. Crazy 2015. 2016, I'm ready.
Oh, 2015! My favorite year! Sobrang bait ni Lord sa amin dahil hanggang ngayon tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho namin.
Happy ako with everything. Hindi ako nawawala ng projects. I did 3 movies in a year, so I'm very thankful for that.
My 2015 was fun. Just full of blessings and super thankful ako for everything this year.
2015 was pretty special. Very, very special talaga. Ang dami nangyari. And of course, musically, I mean, I got to tour with James and Nadine throughout the entire Philippines. I got to tour with my friend Young JV.
The whole 2015 was so much of a blessing to me kasi nga nagkaroon ako ng second son. And then after noon, biglang bumuhos talaga lahat ng work. Tapos ito, meron akong bagong gagawin with Viva. So, maganda yung tapos ng taon.
Roller coaster ride. Somewhat kasamang personal life, being a mom and a wife, kakaiba siya. Blessed pa rin ako kasi now na nag-sign na ako sa Viva, ang daming projects agad na nangyari, na naganap na. So thankful ako na mag-i-end yung year ko na blessed.
It's a very happy and successful year for me. So many good breaks, so many blessings ang pumasok itong taon na to.
And on that note, let's welcome 2016 with more optimism para maging mas exciting, mas masaya, at mas masagana ang bagong taon.